this is the best innovation in electronics ever. You know that this is the best innovation in electronics ever. Electronics!
The history of electronics. Electronics. Nowadays, we see electronics or electronic devices in almost every nook and cranny of the world we're living in. We use electronics in almost all of our daily activities and is still aiming to do more. Interesting, isn't it? But where does electronics start? Let's explore the wonders of electronics through time, the greatest inventions of the olden times up to the present. Everything started when someone named William Gilbert wrote a book entitled De Magnete, where he arrived at the conclusion that the Earth was magnetic. He also researched and studied the difference between magnetics and static electricity.
You might also be familiar with Charles Coulomb, who experimented with mechanical resistance and developed the Coulomb's law of electrostatic charges. This is the amount of attractive and repulsive forces that charges possess.
Unique to Ken Mobile, well, this person is Alessandro Volta and is very interested in electrical equipments. It continued in the early 70s. Until now. Eric?
This person is Hans Christian Ørsted. He demonstrated electricity affects magnetism to measure the right-hand rule, and he initiated the study of electromagnetism.
André Ampère, a French physicist and mathematician who invented the solenoid and studied the electrical currents. Do you know Ohm's law? Then you would know George Simon Ohm, experimented electrical circuits and made his own wire. Hello? Do you know Michael Faraday? He is a pioneer in electricity and magnetism. He also experimented electromagnetic induction.
Samuel Finley Breeze Morse. He brought the practical system of telegraphy using electromagnets and invented the Morse code. Gustav Robert Schur, a German physicist who announced the laws and initial calculations of current, voltages, and resistance in electrical systems in 1845.
James Clerk Maxwell. So his most remarkable idea was to formulate the classical theory of electromagnetic radiation and bringing together for the first time electricity, magnetism, and light phenomena. William Röntgen discovered X-rays, and these X-rays was being used by doctors within months. So in the 1940s, Max von Loeb, they were proved that they are electromagnetic in nature. Thomas Alva Edison, or Thomas Edison, made 1,093 patents including phonograph, light bulb, and sound recording, and many more. So this next person is an inventor and an engineer who invented AC generators, distribution system, and AC circuits motors. So he is also known as the mind scientist who produced the Tesla coil. So his name is Nikola Tesla.
William Bradford Shockley, Walter Brittain, and John Bardeen worked as a team to invent the junction transistor. Jack Sinclair Kilby developed integrated circuit while at the Texas Instruments. Robert Norton Noyes also developed an integrated circuit that has more practical approach to scaling the size of the circuit. In 1957, he became the founder of Fairchild Semiconductor Company. Thank you.
Until now, developments and inventions are growing in the field of electronics. As long as there is innovation and progress in technology, there is still a lot to come in the near future.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.